Ocus bocus tilvan socus, onum batuk lodum degi, shal kichkich wangno, Brahma saras poin chokum, brimju boni tekis tekha. So many interpretations, so many innovations, I should say innovations, because this original verse, people say it's a lullaby. It's not a lullaby, it's a rhyme. It's a rhyme for children to keep them aware of our spiritual traditions, ancient spiritual traditions, through a play that is known as Hocus Pocus, which was played over hands like Hocus Pocus Tilvan Socus. So, coming up to you with all the surprises and revelations of secrets hidden in our Kashmiri folklore, in our Kashmiri scriptures, in all the oral traditions. We have so many things. We have Herat. We have Herat that was celebrated with the arrival of a Kraj, the portress. Portress used to come to deliver earthen pots and other articles meant for waduk and other vessels. So she was greeted with alat and she was given good food and milk to drink and given the highest place in the family hall, that is good. So all these aspects, unknown aspects, will be revealed one by one. So stay tuned for everything that most of us are not aware with. Thank you and wait for all the surprises. Ahi to you all.
Hocus pocus tilvan socus, onnum batuk lodum degi, shal kich wangno, Brahma saras poin chokum, brimju boni tekis tekha.